Lung auscultation. Let's begin the auscultation of the lungs. Supraclavicular area, subclavicular area, auscultation of the point at the jugular notch, infraclavicular fossa, Mohrenheim's fossa, points along the anterior axillary lines. The middle lobe of the right lung is here on the right. The upper lobe of the left lung is here on the left. This is all at the fifth intercostal area. The upper lobes of the both lungs are here in the supraclavicular areas, subclavicular points, and the Mohrenheim's fossa. Physiological bronchial breathing is normally heard in the jugular notch. Mid-axillary line of the third intercostal area, fourth intercostal area, fifth intercostal area, suprascapular region, paravertebral points. Ask the patient to cross their arms over their chest with their head slightly tilted forward. Lower lobes of the head in intrascapular region. Infrascapular region. Under the angle of scapula in the 7th, 8th and 9th intercostal region. Here the lower lobes of the both lungs.